Welcome back. Riya Chakrabarti is now resorting to another stunt, and I'm calling it that because look at this, viewers. Riya Chakrabarti has put out this post on Instagram. This is inside my building compound. The man in this video is my father, Indrajit Chakrabarti, retired army officer. We know that, Riya. We have been trying to get out of our house to cooperate with the Enforcement Directorate, CBI and various investigation authorities to cooperate. There is a threat to my life and my family's life. We have informed the local police station and even gone there, no help provided. We have informed the investigating authorities to help us get to them, no help arrived. How is this family going to live? We are only asking for assistance to cooperate. I request Mumbai police to please provide protection so that we can cooperate with all those involved. This is the same Mumbai police, viewers, that let me remind you, in February this year, when Sushant's family members sent them an SOS message on WhatsApp that Sushant's life is in danger, they failed to act. And now Riya is trying this sympathy stunt instead of answering questions. If she wants to avoid this, if she wants to avoid direct questioning by the media, it's easy. Answer the questions that people are asking. Times Now drug disclosure has left Riya and her legal team completely rattled. The first step was choosing a pliable platform because Times Now won't give it. India Today is asking all these questions today. Riya must come clean because India Today will not keep quiet. They will continue to ask these questions after Times Now drug disclosure. Let me quickly open this up. Tamal Saha, Arunil, Mohit, all our reporters joining us. Tamal, what do you make of this?
Well, Pranesh, I've been telling you, that the father of Riya Chakraborty, he had visited Santa Cruz police station. He had tried giving a formal complaint. In fact, what I have also picked up from my sources, they had first called up Santa Cruz police station and one officer had come down. The officer could not understand what exactly the kind of help they were asking for. The officer went back. Eventually, Indrajit Chakraborty physically went inside Santa Cruz police station to give an official complaint because they wanted a free passage so that they can leave this residential complex.
Tamal, it's very simple. We are not hounding Riya Chakrabarti. We are only bringing out facts and asking direct questions that are fundamental to this case because the drug disclosure has changed everything. The drug disclosure on Times Now has changed the course of the Sushant investigation. And look at this. She is now pleading with the Mumbai police to give her protection. Protection from what, ma'am? Protection from what? You can give interviews to pliable platforms. That is not media harassment. But you are choosing not to respond to Times Now's questions. And we are asking them, viewers, mind you, on the back of investigation that we've carried out. These are hard facts, hard evidence on Times Now. And I'll pull up the Riya drug disclosure chats on this screen in just a bit. Let me read this again. This is inside my building compound. The man is in this video is my father. We've been trying to get out of the house to cooperate with ED, CBI and various investigation authorities to cooperate. There is a threat to my life and my family's life. We've informed the local police station, even gone there, no help provided. The Mumbai police did not even provide any help to Sushant Singh Rajput, left him to die. I'm saying this because we have two messages. One in November 2019 sent by Sushant's father to Riya Chakrabarti, and then the February SOS in which the brother-in-law said that his family fears for his life. Sushant's life is in danger. Mohit. I don't think Mohit can hear me. Arunil is also joining us. Arunil, what do you make of this sympathy stunt by Riya Chakrabarti once again?
Well, yes. Well, certainly it is a sympathy stunt because the whole of India wants the truth to come out. Whole of India wants to know what exactly happened with their beloved actor. Why, I mean, he had to face so much of so much? Was it because of Riya Chakrabarti? Was he drugged? Was it a pre-planned activity by Riya Chakrabarti to remove his former employees, to get a new people instead of them, who basically and basically have conniving with them to drug actor Sushant Singh Rajput? These are some tough questions that Times Now has been asking, and because of that, Riya Chakrabarti has not preferred to speak to Times Now. She's speaking on those platforms that are not asking her tough questions. So why are the media people around her house? Because we want one word, one statement from her. Even if she wanted to speak to the media, she could have taken a press conference and made it very public, but that they are not doing it.
Inputs coming in. Hold your thoughts, Arunil.